In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find top products to sell on Amazon. We'll keep it simple and rely on Amazon's own data, so you can spot proven demand without guesswork. First, open your browser and go to www.amazon.com. This walkthrough is easiest on a desktop or laptop because the menus are more visible, but the same ideas apply on mobile. If you're taken to a country-specific site, that's fine. Just remember that results reflect that marketplace's buyers. Next, look to the top left of the homepage for the three-line menu icon, often labeled All. Click it to open Amazon's main navigation. This expands a panel with a lot of sections. Don't worry about everything you see. We only need one powerful shortcut. Inside that panel, click Bestsellers. This page is Amazon's live leaderboard of what's selling right now, updated frequently. It's an excellent starting point because it highlights products with real, current traction rather than opinions or outdated lists. Once you're on bestsellers, choose a broad category that matches the kind of store you want to run, then drill into subcategories. The deeper you go, the more focused your research becomes, and the easier it is to spot opportunities that bigger competitors may overlook. As you scroll, pay attention to a few signals. Rankings are shown for each item. Consistently high-ranked products indicate steady demand. Skim price points to find ranges that make sense after fees and shipping. Many sellers prefer mid-priced items that aren't impulse cheap, but also aren't luxury tier. Glance at review counts and ratings. Thousands of reviews often mean heavy competition, while products with good ratings and moderate reviews can leave room for a better offer. Consider practicality too. Lighter, durable items are generally cheaper to ship and break less often, which helps margins and customer satisfaction. Watch for obvious brand-dominated listings or patented designs where competing is difficult. If you can't clearly explain how you differentiate through bundles, design, or positioning, keep browsing. Use this session to build a short list. Open product pages in new tabs, read the descriptions and questions to learn what buyers love and what's missing, and note recurring complaints you could solve. You're not committing yet, you're learning from the market. To recap, go to Amazon, open the All menu, and click Bestsellers. Explore categories, study the signals, and capture ideas. With a focused eye and a few passes through this page, you'll start seeing patterns and product opportunities far more clearly.